Hi, I'm Claire from Olympus, and today I'm going to show you what's in my bag when I shoot star trails. It's actually a really simple kit. I've got a tripod. I use the carbon fibre. It's a Benro tripod and I absolutely love their series of kits. Nice and lightweight, and I use a ball and socket head, all right? Camera, so I'm shooting with the EM1 Mark III. Couple of reasons for that. Firstly, it's got Starry Sky AF, and as you can see, I wear glasses, so the Starry Sky AF for me is fantastic. It also has a 6-hour shutter opening time, so for long exposures and for live comp, anything over the sort of standard 3 hours is pretty amazing. I'm shooting with the 7-14 on there, sort of my go-to lens when I do the upwards sort of version of the sky, and maybe even the 8mm, so you get that nice circular image. But actually, if you want to go away from the wide angles, if you don't have a 7-14 or an 8mm, you can stick to 12 if you've got your 12-45, your 12-40, or even the prime 12 f2, which is the one I've got here. The other thing I wanted to talk to you about was the 12-100, or any zoom lens for that matter. If you were thinking that you wanted to do star trails or do live comp a little bit differently, what you can do with this lens is zoom into something like a mirror that's laid in the garden, or if you've got a pond that's very still, or something that's got a reflective surface, and instead of shooting upwards, you shoot directly at the thing that's reflecting the star trails, and that can give you some really amazing abstract style images. So keep that in mind, keep that one in mind. Again, you can do that with the 12-40 or the 40-150. The next thing you're going to need is a remote control of sorts. I've got here the wired remote, the Olympus wired remote, but you can also use the Olympus Image Share app, which is available on any device, so that's a really good one. Lens cloth. Now, obviously I know you all keep lens cloths in your bag, but it's so important to give the lens a wipe just before you press the shutter. And the reason that is, if you're shooting maybe 300 or 400 shots in a stack or a time lapse, and you've got one little smudge on the first one, well, it's going to be on every shot, and post-processing is going to be a bit of a nightmare. So lens cloth, just wipe, very important. And then for me, the last one is my handy little torch. Two things, it stops me falling over in the dark, but the other great thing is if you wanted to do a little bit of fill-in, if you wanted to maybe, if you're doing a live comp shot with the star trails in the background, you wanted to fill in some of the shadow in the area under a tree, for instance, this is absolutely ideal. So a little torch as well. So you can see all that little kit in a small bag, you're all set to go. I hope that helps. See you next time.